All right, so here's a look at the Ninja HyperHeat. Now this is gonna be a pressure cooker, but it's also got some other features in it as well. They claim that this could replace up to about 10 different items in your kitchen, and that's because it can make a bunch of different things. One of the unique things that this can do actually is make yogurt. You can also cook rice, steam vegetables, sear meats, and you can even slow cook in here as well. So if you're looking for something to not only pressure cook and cook at a fast pace, you can also slow cook in here as well. Now this is gonna be a 6.5 quart pot. You can see here that this is the size of it. So this is gonna feed up to 8 to 10 people. And this is also going to be made out of non-toxic, non-stick materials. So you don't have to worry about any of those forever chemicals. This is also going to be machine washable. So if you want to just throw this in the dishwasher, you can easily just throw it in. You can do a little hand wash and then toss it in. The great thing about this is you're going to be making these one pot meals and you're able to feed your whole family or maybe even a small party of people. And you really only just got this one dish to clean. Obviously, you're going to have to wipe the top off and stuff like that. But overall, really easy to clean, and this is it. Now, because this is a pressure cooker, it is gonna be able to cook things fast. So if you wanted to make a pot roast, you can make that in about 45 minutes. Or if you wanted to make a batch of rice, you can make it in as little as 8 minutes. Now, there's a bunch of different colors that you can pick from. Right here, we went with this blue, and I really like it. It is a very neutral, kind of pastel looking blue, not super vibrant, so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb in the kitchen if you wanna leave it on the countertop. And we also have some studio lights in here, so this does look a little bit brighter on the screen. In real life, it is a lot more subtle. So right now, I'm trying to brighten everything up so you could really see it. But when you go to put it away, I mean, even if I bring it and put it over here, you can see that it kind of blends in. So I really do like the color that I chose, but again, they've got a couple other colors to pick from if you don't like this one. Okay, so going down to the menu here, you can see it's very simple to use. You're gonna have your off and on button right there. Here are all your options. So you've got your pressure cook, you've got your sous vide, you've got rice, you've got pasta, you've got your slow cook option, your sear and sauté, steam, and again, the unique one right there is gonna be your yogurt. All you gotta do essentially is pick the one that is gonna work best for you and then hit the start button. Now, another cool feature about this is they've also got a keep warm option. So if you wanted to actually just make your food and set it to keep warm for like even a couple hours while you wait for guests to come, or if you're just not ready for dinner yet, it's nice because you can just keep it on the keep warm mode down here. Now, if you wanted to also adjust the time and the temperature, you can do that as well. So you can change those here. You've got your temperature button up here at the top and then your time button up here as well. So if you wanted to do a specific amount of time, maybe you have a different type of recipe, you can go ahead and switch that out there. This also will come with a little bit of a cookbook and a guide as well. So you'll see that when you get it in the mail. Just take it out of the box and it should have a couple of different ratings for different type of meals that you're gonna be making here. Now in the back, it also is gonna have this little oil tray. So this will go ahead and collect anything extra that is kind of spilling out, and it's gonna go into here. This thing is pretty small, so it doesn't have like too much room to collect a lot. But if you follow the cooking guides, you're not really going to need this tray necessarily because it shouldn't overflow if you put the right amounts in here. So just like a normal pressure cooker, up here on the top, you're gonna have your seal and your vent, which this will automatically vent once you get to the point of pressure inside of here. So it kind of just depends on the cooking mode that you're using, but that is right up here at the top. And then on the sides right here, you've got these two handles, which make it nice for you to actually pick it up. This is not something that we leave on the countertop at all times. We really only take this out when it's time to cook something in it. So I do like the fact that they put these handles here. It honestly just makes it really easy to bring around and just go ahead and put right back into the pantry. Now they also have some additional accessories that you could pick up for these. You can see that they've got the glass lid. They've got the reversible stainless steel rack, which is really nice because this lifts it off of the ground and you can actually grab it from these pieces right here. Then they also have these silicone mitts, which you can grab as well. And overall, just cooking food with this, it's gonna cook way faster. And as you can see on the box, it says that it can cook things about 2 times as fast. And I could definitely attest to that because this thing is extremely fast, especially on the pressure mode. Plus, because of that HyperHeat technology, everything is gonna be nice and evenly cooked. So it comes out perfect every time as long as you've got your recipe down. So if you've been looking for a pressure cooker, researching, maybe been looking at the Instapot, I would definitely recommend getting the Ninja HyperHeat. I think it's got all of the features that you need. Plus it's got got that countertop aesthetic as well. So if you are gonna be leaving it out on the counter, you don't have to worry about the look. So again, if you're looking for a pressure cooker, I would definitely recommend picking this one up.